All right, now we have the markets up, and they've got a few more days to pump this market, but you're going to see the headlines on Monday exclaiming that the market's there at all-time highs, and that would equate to about 800 points on the Dow. Now, we're going to have the jobs number on Friday, and depending on where those numbers come in at, you could easily see this market up 500 points. Now, we had quite a few big names release their earnings this morning, and many of those stocks, they're up big and down big. Now, we had Caterpillar release their earnings, and they suffered an earnings miss on weak equipment sales, and in my opinion, this is a bellwether. If these guys aren't selling as much construction equipment as they were previously, that tells you this economy is probably slowing down. Now, we also had Chipotle release their earnings yesterday evening, and they're seeing weakening, softening same-store sales, and that stock is off 7%. Now, we're going to have some of the big-name tech stocks release their earnings tonight, and my guess is you're going to see the stock market rally again tomorrow. Now, there are some stocks down pretty heavy today. Trump Media Group, ticker symbol DJT. Now, that stock has been up more than 300% in the last 6-7 weeks, and today it's taking a breather, down 22%. And this has pretty much become a meme stock. Now, we also had the former popular meme stock from earlier in the year, Supermicro. That stock is down 33%. And that's after their accounting services, Ernst & Young, they resigned from doing accounting for the company. And this stock has been absolutely crushed since early summer. And we have some positive news. Pending home sales, they actually rose, leaping higher to the highest since March. And pending sales actually climbed in all 4 regions of the country. Now, we also had private payrolls. They surged more than expected. And with this good data coming out, I can't see how the Fed is going to cut interest rates a few weeks from now. And we're likely going to go a few months with the Fed doing absolutely nothing. Now, the debt continues to pile up and the layoffs keep coming. And it's not going to be much that most of these debt-laden companies are going to be able to do. And many Americans, they're going to be on the hook as they get handed pink slips. Now, we're in a commodity space. Gold, that's the highlight out of the metal space. Now, we saw gold move up overnight and actually breach $2,800 an ounce. And it's since pulled back, but it's rallied again. And we're just under $2,800 an ounce. And depending on what these job numbers come in at on Friday, I believe you're going to see gold make a run towards $3,000 an ounce, either Friday or next week. Now, we've also seen Bitcoin rally over the last few days, and that asset is up over $70,000. So Bitcoin, gold, silver, you want to be holding these assets throughout the next decade. Now, we're going to have the biggest names on the planet report their earnings this evening: Microsoft, Meta, Coinbase, and a few others. And tomorrow we're going to have even bigger names: Apple, AMD, Intel. And we're likely going to have a green market for the next 3 sessions. This quick stock market commentary, please like and subscribe.